on it. It is 2 different animations and they're quizzes. It's 2.2 and 3.1, which we're going to finish lecturing on today. All right, so they're going to do on June 13th, 14th, I guess, right? 14th, right? Basically, well, so the 14th on Thursday. There's only 8 questions, 4 questions each, so they're not long. Okay, that's going to be all kind of 10 points. Type, did you do it or not type of assignment. All right. Guys, also, please make sure you do have your list of your Blackboard activities for me for Thursday, so I can give that to the prep room. Also, guys, I want to do a quick reminder for you of lab times. Like this morning, I just want to give you a heads up, put this in your notes so you know for the rest. I'm going to give you up through July 4th, just so that you know. Okay, up through July 3rd, okay, all the labs will start at 8:30, okay, except for one. The only one that's going to need to start at 8 o'clock is next Thursday, okay, the 21st. That one we have to start at 8 just because of the amount of material. That's the one where we're going to actually be doing some prepping for the next lab. Then also you guys are going to be running your Blackboard experiment. So that one we're obviously going to need more time to complete. So next Thursday, the 21st, will be an 8 o'clock start. All the other labs up to July 3rd, including July 3rd, are going to be 8:30 starts. Does that make sense? I'm just going to tell you now so you know, you can make a note of it. And even after that, guys, there will be still some late starts, but I'm just going to give you up till then now, and then I'll update you more later. Make sense? Because as you saw this morning, we were done, and what we'll do is, we run till 10, take a little shorter break. It's not a big deal. You can have time to get a snack and a drink and come back in, and we still will be done a little earlier then. Okay? Any questions about that, though? Okay, just want to make sure. Guys, exam 1 is also next Thursday. So we're going to have a pretty full lab and stuff. Hopefully we will get a small break in between lab and lecture, so you'll have time to actually come in and kind of prep yourself, get yourself a drink before you come in and take your exam. After the exam, depending on where we are, I probably will be lecturing. What I do is usually for that exam, I'll give you probably about an hour and 20 minutes to take it. Okay, the first exam is longer. There's a study guide already on Blackboard. It is probably about 80 questions. Reason being is on 5 chapters. Okay, it's a lot of information on that first exam. So do start preparing for that now. Really, you only have a week. It is next week. Okay, so just to give you an idea, please make sure you bring pencils for that lab. For that lecture, for that exam. And I probably would just do that, and then we take a little bit of break once everything's done, and then I do lecture for a little bit, just to get intro, so we don't get behind on the next topics. It kind of keeps up to speed and everything. I usually don't have to do tons, but I do usually do a little bit that day. We're going to see where we are. We'll see how far we are. I may or may not need to. It just depends. Usually I do need to do a little bit. Questions about any of that? Questions about what's due, where we are, about lab, or anything else? Okay, guys, please make sure for Thursday. Thursday's lab is microscopes and cells. Actually, for that lab, make sure you do have closed-toed shoes. You don't necessarily bring your goggles just in case. I don't think we'll need them on Thursday, but always make sure to just put them in your bin. Put them in your bag or something so that you always have them with you, just in case. Something else gets pulled out. Sometimes the microscope itself, it's kind of hard with microscopes to actually have the goggles on to actually see anything. You find yourself taking them on and off. It's hard enough with just plain glasses. All right, good to go? Makes sense? Okay. Any questions for me about anything so far? Can someone hit whatever light switch back there is the one that turns, sorry, I meant to do that when I walked in. Oh, no, both of them. There we go. Especially since it's rainy out, it makes it really dark in here. It's a nice dreary day. Everyone's going home to take a nap. So where were we? What were we talking about? Let's reiterate dehydration synthesis and hydrolysis. Tell me about it. What is it? I told you we were going to start with a review of that today. Any ideas? Okay, what is dehydration synthesis, guys? What's it about? What's it for? Dehydration synthesis does what? To do? It removes water and does what? So dehydrations are removable water to do what? To make a bond. Okay, right. To bond two subcomponents of a molecule together, right? So units together to make our larger organic molecule. Okay? How about the other one, it's hydrolysis?
Will you add one?
You add water to do what? To break a bond. Okay, there's your differences, guys, okay? I'm gonna show you a quick little animation here on these ones I had. I told you I'd start with the animation review of these two topics before we jump into the rest of the topics, okay? So, let's get this up and running.